This is broken hinge on garage door. The old famous 18 gauge narrow body clopay. Let's take it off real quick, see if I can do this on the video. One hand. Oh, what's that? These are part of the hinge. No more hinge. I got the roller. I'm going to put on a real hinge. That's what we'll put on. 14 gauge wide body. I love this little Ryobi drill here. It's got a little light on it. Pretty cool. Very cool. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. And last but not least, done. Usually takes a lot quicker, but when you got one hand holding the camera and doing a video, not bad. So for all your broken garage door hinges, call us up. You can come get them. You don't have them. That's a number 4 too, by the way. I don't know if you can see that right there. There's 4 hinge because of the 8-foot high door. Give us a call, 630-271-9343. 630-271-9343 for all your broken hinges on your garage doors. Thank you. Praise the Lord.